So guys, obviously we're in the polytunnel, a bit chilly as you can all see. I do apologise for if you can't obviously see clearly, but it's night time. So this is obviously just a quick few things that we've grown. So I've just got to pick my phone up, I do apologise. So obviously, as you can see, this is obviously cauliflower. You can see that there's a few little bits that are starting to grow on the cauliflowers. So obviously they're coming up now. So that's the cauliflowers. As you can see with the nasturtiums, no movement as yet. Might be a bit too tad cold, but give them a bit longer, they should come up. So obviously that's the nasturtiums. I shall come round to obviously here. I apologise again for the light. This is greyhound cabbage, and look, every single one has grew. So that is absolutely brilliant. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. Lots of cabbage this year, brilliant. I do like that, 100% there. And obviously with the marigolds yet again, all the marigolds have germinated as well. So yet again, brilliant success. And obviously, last but not least, the broad beans have started to germinate, as you can see. They're all slowly but surely coming up, as you can see. And again, if you can see in that one, the roots, I'll just pick one up. So, no, not that one, I do apologise. So if you can see, the roots are now starting to come through, which means the beans are growing. So give them a little bit longer, and they should be fine. So yeah guys, obviously that's just a quick update on what the seeds that we've planted. All being well, weather permitted, we should be back down on Sunday to get a few more things planted up, and I'll do another quick update on what else is growing as well. Thank God, because obviously if you can remember when we planted the elephant garlic in December, if you look back on obviously what we've done so far, we didn't think they was going to germinate, but obviously thank God, touch wood as they say, they've started to come through. So fingers crossed they'll keep coming through and they'll do brilliantly. So guys, obviously that's just a bit about now and what we've done. So obviously thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And obviously from myself and Bailey, we shall see you all very soon. Cheers guys, and keep tuned. See you later.